Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which is providing you with free DeepSeek version 4 Flash API. So DeepSeek version 4 Flash is a really good model for basic tasks for creating applications. So this website chat.b.ai. You can also search this website, just search chat.b.ai. So basically the chat.b.ai, simply search this on Google, the very first website which comes. So this website, simply create an account, just log in with your Google account. I've already done that. And after that, you will actually be redirected to the dashboard area. And you will actually see a notification right at the top of the dashboard. You will see DeepSeek version 4 Flash limited time free. So they actually released this offer, which is only valid for limited time. And now to use this API, you can see DeepSeek version 4 Flash model is selected. It contains all models. They release these offers often inside this website. So you simply go to API, and right here you click a free API key. So as you see, you simply click on create API key. You selected limited time offer. So click on create API key, just give it a name. Click on confirm. So this gives you your API key. Simply copy this. They have given this example as well. You can run this through curl or Python or Node.js. So let me just save this API key and actually show you how to do this. So you can actually install an extension called as Cline, Cline. So I will show you how to use this API. So simply go to settings, and from here you simply select OpenAI compatible in the API provider. I paste this API key, and for the base URL you simply copy the base URL that they provide you. With this base URL, let me just copy this. So now basically all the model IDs are loading, and from here you need to select DeepSeek version. Let me just paste the model ID. So right here you can select this DeepSeek version Flash. So copy the model ID and directly paste it. DeepSeek version 4 Flash. We pasted the API key, the base URL, OpenAI compatible. Simply click done. And right here you send out a message. So this API will respond to you guys. If this extension is not working, there is another extension which is really good. It's called as KiloCode, KILOD. If you are in VS Code, this extension is also very popular, KiloCode. So I have already installed it. So let me just activate this. So just paste the same information, base URL, API key. So just go to settings right here and go to providers and custom provider. We simply select provider ID. We can say custom to display name OpenAI compatible. For the API key we created, let me delete this and create a new API key. So I paste the API key for the base URL. So I paste the base URL as well. Model ID, I can simply give the model ID DeepSeek version flash. I copy the model ID. So basically I click on submit, saving it. So once it is saved, you can actually use this. So now it is successfully added custom to, and from here you simply select. I selected this DeepSeek version flows from custom to. Simply select, and we sent out a message. So now it will respond to us. I think the base URL that we are using is incorrect. Let me use. So right here we check out the API documentation right here. Just wait. We simply quick start. So yeah, so base URL is this. Let me just copy this, and the providers, edit the provider and change the base URL. I save this, again run this. If these are not working, what they have given these examples, so what you can do, you can copy this Python script and run directly. So just create a Python script, paste it. So basically what we are doing, we are calling this directly inside this Python script. Let me just paste the model ID DeepSeek version 4 flash, and for the API key, so we copy this API key right here. So simply run this Python script. So it successfully runs. So what you need to do, you need to print out the response. I can say response dot content. So as you see guys, it is actually responding to us. It is giving us the response in JSON. We also have the data properties. So definitely check this free API that they are offering guys. You can just connect with any provider. Just visit this website. This is actually totally free and DeepSeek version 4 Flash limited time free. So definitely check this out and thank you very much for watching this video.